Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here are some study tips and tricks that can help you excel in school. Create a study schedule. Make a schedule that includes all of your classes, study time, and other commitments. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you have enough time to study for all of your classes. Take good notes, take clear, concise notes during class, and review them regularly. This will help you remember important information and prepare for exams. Stay organized. Keep your notes, assignments, and study materials organized in a way that makes sense to you. This can include using folders, binders, or digital tools like Evernote or Google Drive. Get enough sleep. Make sure you get enough sleep each night, as sleep is essential for learning and memory retention. Take breaks. Take regular breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout and improve focus. The Pomodoro technique is a popular method that involves studying for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. Use active learning strategies. Active learning strategies, such as summarizing, highlighting, and asking questions, can help you better understand and remember information. Study with others. Studying with others can help you learn from different perspectives and stay motivated. Consider forming a study group with classmates or joining an online study community. Test yourself. Practice tests and quizzes can help you identify areas where you need to improve and prepare for exams. Avoid distractions. Find a quiet, distraction-free environment to study, and turn off your phone and other distractions. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for help from teachers, tutors, or classmates when you're struggling with a particular subject or assignment. Comment your thoughts and views about this video. Please be sure to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.